If you're a cat parent, you know litter tracking can be a nuisance. But some accessories help alleviate this, like litter mats. There are many cat litter mats to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best cat litter mats from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. CatGuru Cat Litter Mat. The CatGuru Heavy-Duty Cat Litter Mat is made of a soft microfiber fabric that looks more like a bath mat than a litter mat. It's our top pick because the soft fabric encourages cats to use the litter mat after going to the bathroom and helps prevent litter tracking. The non-slip, heavy-duty material helps keep the litter mat in place if the cat needs to kick and paw to remove excess litter. The waterproof and fully machine washable fabric is also helpful if there are any potential accidents on the litter mat. Cleanup is fast and consists of shaking the mat over a garbage can to remove loose litter and then throwing it in your washing machine. Number 2. Gorilla Grip Cat Litter Mat. The Gorilla Grip Thick Cat Litter Trapping Mat is a traditional design made of coils and grooves that trap the litter and provide a cushioned surface for your kitty's paws to scratch. We like that this litter mat comes in many different sizes, shapes, colors, and price points for any type of cat and owner. Its grippy material keeps the mat from moving around and is also waterproof. If you ever need to clean it, we recommend shaking it over a garbage can and then hosing it down if necessary. The only issue we found was that it's challenging to use a vacuum to remove excess litter because the litter gets stuck in the coils. However, a quick shake while holding the mat up does the trick. Number 3. Pet Fusion Cat Litter Mat. The Pet Fusion Tough Grip Litter Mat is made of premium-grade silicone, which makes for a very soft texture on cat paws and is durable enough to be water-resistant with a non-slip grip at the bottom. This mat never moved when our cat would kick off the mat to remove litter stuck on his paws. There are grooves throughout the litter mat that are supposed to capture litter and a lip on the border to prevent accidental liquids from spilling out. Since it's water-resistant, you can use a paper towel to wipe it up or hose it down outside. For everyday cleanup, it was a bit of a hassle to vacuum up the litter, and it was also heavy to pick up and shake off litter due to its material. The Pet Fusion Litter Mat comes in 2 sizes that can accommodate medium to large houses. Number 4. Wear Terry Cat Litter Mat. The Wear Terry Cat Litter Mat was our most oversized tester mat. This litter mat comes in a honeycomb-style design with a double layer that traps excess litter through 10 mm holes, and they sit on a bottom layer. The wide holes catch larger litter like pine pellets too. If you're still training your cat to use the litter box and sometimes have accidents, you have the option of placing a puppy pad in between the layers to catch excess liquids. While Wear Terry states that the litter mat is waterproof, some reviewers say it is not entirely odor-proof. We like the 3-sided opening because you can lift the top layer and vacuum the bottom layer. One issue with this litter mat was that it came folded and had dents when opening. Number 5. PetLinks Cat Litter Mat. The PetLinks Perfect Paws Multi-Purpose Litter Mat because of its interesting design and affordable price. This litter mat is made of rubber and is designed in a single heavy-duty layer with several stamped circles throughout the mat. It works similarly to a honeycomb trap mat, except it's only one layer. Our biggest issue with the PetLinks litter mat is that it was difficult to clean because it would move every time we vacuumed the top. Shaking off excess litter in the garbage was also a mess because the litter would get stuck in the grooves of the circles. The texture of the circles wasn't comfortable for our cat, and he was less likely to kick or paw off the excess litter. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.